So here's the ATOP drone, foldable, compact, obviously, relatively small package, variable speed, supposed to be able to do flips. See if I can master that. I'm sure my son can handle that. We'll see if I can master it. So it comes with a Wi-Fi camera, so that should be fun to experiment with. So let's see what is inside the little box here. So inside here, I guess we are going to find the USB charger and propeller and instructions, and yeah, so all of that. So put that aside, and in here would be our drone, obviously. Alright, so we'll just, there we go, lift this out of here, and there's a couple parts still in the box here. So look at the instructions to see what those are for, but here we go with the controller and our drone in there. So I'm definitely going to take a look at the instructions before I really do anything here with that. All right, so drone is charged, and each of these arms sort of moves out and into place, so you can collapse it, put it in the case, but it needs to be out, and each of them in the full outright spot to operate. The power button is right here above the charging port, and so just press that in to get it going. So blue is the back, green indicates the front. That's our camera up there. So in the Wi-Fi settings here, we can choose to connect to the drone, and then we get the app and can connect here, and we have a picture of what we're seeing out of the drone. I'm going to use the controller because I just found it to be a little bit easier to control with the actual remote control here. Just a little easier than trying to use the here. I will try to demonstrate one cool feature on the thing here of actually using the phone to tilt and control the movement of the drone. So first step here with the remote is to turn it on. Keep trying Wi-Fi. All right, so with to pair it up, your left stick up and down. You move the sticks in to calibrate, and then out to unlock the and we see it has stopped blinking. Now the one thing I'm going to do is I like the headless mode. I can explain that, but to do that you hold the right stick twice, and now it's blinking. And so the nice thing about headless mode is in your movement, up is always that way and right is always that way. If you're not in headless mode, it matters of where the green is pointing, so it's always from the perspective of the drones. I like the headless mode, so I don't have to think about where the drone is facing. So We just flick up once to get it spinning. The left button up here on the top of the controller is the takeoff. And we're already out of frame, so let me see if I can bring it back in and lower it down a little where we can see it. There we go. So coming towards me. So it hovers pretty reliably. I have not played too much with kind of the trim feature that it gives you too. So I can, let's see. And, you know, it's not going to sneak up on anybody. It's noisy, but all drones are. So we can rotate it, obviously. And then hopefully it can get it in frame here, and you press your takeoff button to have it land. So there we go. And again, the whole time we're seeing footage from the camera here, and you can click your button up here to record a picture or hold it to record video. So yeah, again, I find the headless mode really, really nice, so I don't have to think about the way it's oriented. So let me try to fly this with the phone app here. So turn that off. All right, so let me try to show this cool feature flying the phone. So one thing here is I've turned on the headless mode for the app, hopefully. And this is they call it gyro control or something like that. And you can see as I'm tilting the phone, hopefully you can see the left stick is moving right left. It's probably going to be hard to show the front back here with the angle here. But this is to allow you to control left, right, front, back of the drone just by tilting the phone. So start it up. So as you can see, let's see if I can go forward. Phone, a little left, a little right, left, right, forward, and land. All sort of by the tilt of the phone. So pretty cool, and having the camera sort of what you're looking at, kind of fun. So there we go. Pretty happy with the drone. Easy to use. The app was simple to set up, connect on. It's has a little private Wi-Fi sort of thing. Flies around. Has ability with this guy right here to sort of draw a shape. I didn't have a whole lot of luck with that. I don't think I have a big enough room here, but supposed to allow you to chart a flight path for your drone to fly. It's pretty cool, but I think I just need a little more space for that to work here. There you go. Hope this is helpful, and thanks for watching.